Hi and welcome. My name is Alicia, and today we talk about your skin barrier. Maybe you're not aware of it, but your expensive skincare routine is literally destroying your skin barrier every single day. That $200 serum you're obsessing over? Well, here's your surprise. It's aging you faster. Stop the madness. I'll show you the 7-day fix that actually works without breaking the bank. Listen up, because what I'm about to tell you will make you question everything you think you know about skincare. Right now, as you're watching this video, millions of people over 35 are literally destroying their skin barriers every single day. And they have absolutely no idea they're doing it. The skincare industry has brainwashed you into believing that more products equal better skin. They've convinced you that if your face isn't tingling, burning, or peeling, then your skincare routine isn't working. This is complete nonsense, and it's exactly why your skin looks older, more irritated, and more damaged than it should at your age. Here's the brutal reality. Most of you watching this video right now have a compromised skin barrier, and you're making it worse every single morning and night with your so-called skincare routine. You're using too many products, layering harsh actives like they're going out of style, and wondering why your skin looks like sandpaper instead of silk. But here's what's going to shock you even more. Healing a damaged skin barrier doesn't take months of expensive treatments or complicated routines. Research shows that with the right approach, you can restore your skin's natural protective barrier in as little as 7 to 10 days. Yes, you heard that right. Just over 1 week. Today, I'm going to expose the lies you've been told about skin barrier repair and show you the scientifically backed method that actually works. But first, let me confront you about the massive mistakes you're probably making right now. Let's talk about the skincare crimes you're committing every single day without even realizing it. And trust me, after working with thousands of people over 35, I can predict exactly what you're doing wrong. Crime number 1. You're over-cleansing like it's your job. I see you there washing your face twice a day with that foaming cleanser that makes your skin feel squeaky clean. Newsflash, squeaky clean means stripped and damaged. Your skin should never feel tight after cleansing, but you've been convinced that tight equals clean. This is destroying your acid mantle and leaving your skin defenseless against environmental damage. Crime number 2. You're layering actives like you're building a skincare lasagna. Vitamin C in the morning, retinol at night, exfoliating acids twice a week. And don't even get me started on the 10-step routines you're following from social media influencers who are half your age. Your mature skin cannot handle this chemical assault, and you're wondering why you look inflamed instead of glowing. Crime number 3. You're ignoring your skin's distress signals. When your skin is red, flaky, stinging, or breaking out in random places, it's literally screaming for help. But instead of listening, you add more products to fix the problems you created with other products. It's skincare insanity. And the biggest crime of all, you're following skincare advice from people who have never dealt with aging skin or hormonal changes. The routine that works for a 25-year-old will absolutely wreck a 40-year-old's skin barrier. Research from dermatological studies proves that over 60% of women over 35 have compromised skin barriers due to over-treatment and inappropriate product use. You're not alone in this disaster, but you need to stop the madness now. Here's what the skincare industry doesn't want you to know. Those expensive serums and treatments you're hoarding are probably making your skin barrier problems 10 times worse. And the more money you spend, the more damage you're likely doing. Let me break down this expensive skincare scam that's destroying your skin. You walk into Sephora or browse online, and suddenly you're convinced you need a $150 vitamin C serum, a $200 retinol cream, and a $100 exfoliating treatment. The salesperson or influencer tells you that these powerful ingredients will transform your skin. But here's the brutal truth. Your damaged skin barrier cannot process these potent actives properly. When your skin barrier is compromised, which it probably is if you're over 35 and following complicated routines, These expensive actives become skin irritants instead of skin healers. That $150 vitamin C serum, it's causing oxidative stress on your already fragile skin. That fancy retinol, it's creating inflammation instead of renewal. Recent research published in dermatology journals shows that damaged skin barriers actually prevent active ingredients from working effectively. You're literally throwing money down the drain while making your skin problems worse. It's like trying to paint a house with a cracked foundation. Nothing's going to look good until you fix the base. And here's the part that will really make you angry. The skincare industry knows this. They know that complicated, expensive routines often damage skin barriers, which creates more problems that require more expensive solutions. It's a never-ending cycle designed to keep you buying more products. But the most infuriating part? The solution to healing your skin barrier costs less than one of those expensive serums you've been wasting your money on. The ingredients that actually repair and strengthen your skin barrier are simple, affordable, and available at any drugstore. Stop falling for the expensive skincare trap and start focusing on what your skin actually needs to heal and thrive. Now, let's talk about the real science behind skin barrier healing, because understanding this will completely change how you approach skincare. Your skin barrier, also called the stratum corneum, is like a brick wall made of skin cells held together by lipids. When this wall is damaged, everything goes wrong. Water escapes, irritants get in, and your skin becomes a hot mess. Here's what research has proven about skin barrier repair that most people completely ignore. Studies show that the skin barrier can begin repairing itself within 24 to 48 hours when given the right conditions. That's right, your skin is capable of healing much faster than you've been told, but only if you stop sabotaging the process. The key breakthrough came from research on wound healing and dermatitis treatment. Scientists discovered that skin barrier repair happens fastest when you focus on 3 critical factors: hydration, lipid replenishment, and protection from further damage. This isn't rocket science, but it's completely opposite to what the skincare industry has been telling you. Clinical studies have shown that using gentle barrier-supporting ingredients like ceramides, hyaluronic acid, and niacinamide can restore skin barrier function in 7 to 14 days. But here's the catch. This only works if you stop using everything that's damaging your barrier in the first place. The most important finding from recent dermatological research is this: less is always more when it comes to barrier repair. The skin heals faster with fewer products, not more. Every additional product you use increases the risk of irritation and slows down the healing process. This is why the simple, scientifically backed approach I'm about to share works so much better than those complicated routines that promise miracle results but deliver skin disasters instead. All right, here's the game-changing protocol that will heal your damaged skin barrier in just 7 days. This isn't some trendy routine I made up. This is based on clinical research and real results from viewers who followed this exact method. Day 1, 2, 3. Complete skincare detox. You're going to strip your routine down to just 3 products. I don't want to hear any complaints about it being too simple. Use only a gentle, non-foaming cleanser, a basic hydrating toner or essence, and a barrier repair moisturizer. That's it. No serums, no actives, no treatments. Nothing else touches your face. For cleansing, you want something cream-based or lotion-based that doesn't foam. Look for ingredients like ceramides or hyaluronic acid. Cleanse only once a day in the evening unless you're extremely oily. In the morning, just splash with lukewarm water. Your hydrating steps should be alcohol-free and fragrance-free. This isn't the time to be fancy. You want ingredients like hyaluronic acid, glycerin, or beta-glucan. Apply to damp skin and let it absorb completely. For moisturizer, this is where the magic happens. You need something with barrier-repairing ingredients like ceramides, cholesterol, or fatty acids. Apply a generous layer, more than you think you need. Your skin should feel protected, not tight. Day 4 to 7 gradual rebuilding phase. If your skin is responding well and irritation is decreasing, you can slowly add back one gentle product every other day. Start with a gentle serum containing niacinamide or panthenol. Both are proven barrier healers. Throughout all 7 days, no makeup if possible, no harsh towels, no hot water, and absolutely no picking or touching. Sleep on clean pillowcases and avoid any potential allergens or irritants. The results speak for themselves. Most people see significant improvement in redness, texture, and comfort within the first 3 days. Let me save you hundreds of dollars and years of frustration by telling you exactly which products actually heal skin barriers without the fancy marketing nonsense. These aren't sponsored recommendations. These are research-backed ingredients and formulations that work. For cleansers, look for anything with the words hydrating, gentle, or barrier repair on the label. The drugstore options often work better than expensive department store versions because they focus on function over fancy packaging. Brands that dermatologists actually recommend include CeraVe, Vanicream, and Cetaphil. Yes, they're boring, but boring works. Your hydrating step doesn't need to cost more than $15. Look for products with hyaluronic acid as the main ingredient. Or consider Asian beauty options, which often have better formulations at lower prices. The key is finding something that layers well and doesn't leave your skin feeling sticky. For barrier repair moisturizers, this is where you want to invest a little more, but you still don't need to spend a fortune. Look for products that list ceramides, cholesterol, or fatty acids in the first 5 ingredients. Some of the best barrier repair moisturizers come from European pharmacy brands or medical-grade lines that you can find online. Here's a money-saving tip that the beauty industry doesn't promote. Many prescription barrier repair treatments have over-the-counter versions with similar ingredients. You can get the same benefits without the dermatologist visit or the prescription cost. And please stop buying products just because an influencer recommended them. Start reading ingredient lists and understanding what your skin actually needs. The most effective barrier healing ingredients are usually the simplest, natural, and most affordable ones. Remember, expensive doesn't mean effective, especially when it comes to basic skin barrier repair. This is where everything changes for you. You now have the knowledge and the exact protocol to heal your skin barrier in just 7 days. But more importantly, you understand how to prevent this damage from happening again. The truth is, once you heal your skin barrier properly, maintaining healthy skin becomes incredibly easy. You'll need fewer products, spend less money, and deal with fewer skin problems. Your skin will be more resilient, look younger, and feel comfortable throughout the day. But here's what I need you to do right now. Commit to following this protocol exactly as I've outlined it. Don't modify it, don't add extra products, and don't skip steps. The reason this works is because it's simple and focused. The moment you start complicating it, you'll sabotage your results. Take photos, notice how your skin feels, and pay attention to improvements in texture, redness, and overall comfort. You'll be amazed at how quickly your skin responds when you finally give it what it needs instead of what the beauty industry tells you it wants. And when you start seeing results, and you will, share your success in the comments below. Your experience could help someone else break free from the expensive skincare trap that's been damaging their skin. If this video opened your eyes to the truth about skin barrier health and healing, smash that like button and subscribe for more no-nonsense skincare science. I'm here to cut through the marketing nonsense and give you the real information you need to have healthy, beautiful skin at any age. Your skin barrier healing journey starts today. Let's do this together. Thank you for watching my video, and if you like it, please like and subscribe. Comments are welcome.